काम हो अच्छे हमारे और नीयत साफ हो। काम हो अच्छे हमारे और नीयत साफ हो। है वही इंसान जहाँ इंसानियत का वास हो। है वही इंसान जहाँ इंसानियत का वास हो।
As we all know, that the cases are increasing so rapidly, and after a long time, because of the hard work and smart work of our scientists, the vaccine is made in India, and that makes us proud as well. So let's take this vaccine and maintain all the necessary precautions, because these are the only ways to get out of this corona.
We suffered a lot due to COVID and still suffering, but our doctors, with the immense dedication, has prepared the vaccine. Now, what the vaccine actually is? A vaccine is a substance used to stimulate the production of antibodies and to provide immunity to one or several diseases. Vaccines by Bharat Biotech and Serum Institute of India were formally approved in our country. Vaccination of COVID 19 is voluntary. However, it is advisable to receive the complete schedule of COVID 19 vaccine to protect oneself against the disease. Now, the main question from all of us is that are there any long term effects of this vaccine? To answer this question, scientists studied the available evidence. And while the rules of science do not allow scientists to say that long term effects will not cause, but this time the evidence is strong that the vaccines will not cause long term harm. At last, I would like to say that we all together, united at once, have to fight against COVID. We don't have any other alternate other than taking the vaccine. So it's my request to all of you to take vaccines whenever your turn comes.
As Dhruvi stated, there is no other alternative than taking the vaccine. We all must know how the vaccine works and what the procedure is. Total 0.10 milligrams of the vaccine is to be taken at an interval of 2 doses. In the first dose, 0.5 milligram of the vaccine is injected in the body, which creates antibodies to prevent against corona. But it is not all. Our body requires 28 to 30 days to be ready for the second dose. So, the second dose is injected after a month, and the period of effectiveness after the second dose is at least 6 to 8 weeks. One must take all necessary precautions. The vaccine is a measure to prevent the further spreading of corona. So I, on behalf of Roop School, request you to take vaccine and help prevent the further spread of corona. At last, we wish you and your family remain safe.
So, after knowing that the vaccine have took place in the second wave of pandemic, then also we have to keep some precautions in our mind, like wearing of mask, using and keeping of sanitizer, and to avoid going at crowded areas. At that time, we the committee members of Social Welfare Club of groups have helped the needy ones of our own surrounding by providing them food, masks, clothes and many other necessities so that we can overcome from this pandemic rapidly and together.
Social Welfare Club is to help the needy people. Even though at the tough times like COVID 19, we distributed clothes and masks to the poor and needy people. While distributing the things, we have taken all the precautions. We make them understood to wear the mask where they work and to use hand sanitizer, to maintain social distancing at the crowd and to wash hands for 20 seconds.
Hope that you had gained the information about the second wave and vaccination. Even though our teachers also vaccinated themselves and coming to school for our online classes. So let's vaccinate ourselves and make this world corona free. Stay home, stay safe.